Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Open Settings and turn on Bluetooth, then pair and connect to the desired speaker or headphones. Once done, set the accessory volume to about mid-high so the iPhone can boost output effectively. Make sure you close music, video, or voice apps that may grab audio focus. This prevents conflicting volume levels. Also, disable Do Not Disturb and any audio-limiting profiles, so the iPhone's full output range is available to the Bluetooth device. Now you refine the iPhone's audio chain. Open Control Center and confirm the AirPlay output is your Bluetooth device. Routing errors reduce loudness. Then go to Settings Right Arrow Music and turn off Sound Check because it normalizes peaks. Then choose the EQ preset Late Night to compress dynamics and make perceived volume louder. Once that's set, raise the iPhone volume near maximum and then adjust the accessory's own volume independently to balance clarity with loudness. This two-step increase prevents distortion. Finish by playing a high bitrate track and listen critically. You're checking clarity as well as loudness. If it's still quiet, restart both the iPhone and the Bluetooth device, repair them, and check for firmware updates on the accessory. That often resolves invisible limits. Make sure you don't push EQ boosts so far that they distort. If you hear clipping, reduce the accessory volume or use a milder EQ. If problems persist, try another cable or adapter, since conversion hardware can throttle output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.